This is a very interesting 2004 Smart Roadster. The first one I've seen of this model. Really cool. The body outside is plastic with aluminum between that and the plastic parts inside, and on a steel frame. That's a 3-cylinder engine with a turbo, 698 cc's. There's a roof that folds down electrically and goes into the compartment down there in the trunk. Very cool. That cover there covers the engine workings. It's a automated manual transmission. And that B pillar there and the A pillar are both metal. The radiator is in the front of the car, so it is water cooled, but also has a fan in the back to cool the turbo. There is a very nice interior. And there's a great video that I have as a reference for you to look at. Just look down just below the video itself for the before the comments section. You'll see it. It's an owner in Germany showing you the ins and outs of the car. It's very interesting. It goes into a lot of detail of how it's constructed and features, and even takes you on a little test drive. So if you're interested in the workings of the car, made by Mercedes Benz in France, check it out. Very ingenious.